God, I love this bike. What is up, guys? JaretCampisi. Welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to one of the final episodes of the Custom Tuono series. We only have a few episodes left before we're going to be giving this bike away. You can help support these custom build series and be entered to win amazing custom motorcycles just like this one right here via our Patreon site. It's just patreon.com/Campisi Customs. It'll always be the first link in the description below. Today we're heading back to Santa Barbara Ducati to put this beast of a motorcycle on the dyno and find out how much horsepower it makes after all of our performance upgrades, which includes the Krapovich full titanium exhaust system, the Sprint high flow air filter, and the Aprilia Racing ECU flash. In stock form it did 160 horsepower, and I'm guessing today it'll probably do, I think, 168, 170. Anything basically 166 and above I'd be happy with, because not only are we going to pick up some power, but we also shaved probably 35 pounds off this bike, which we will find out in a future episode. But yeah, I'm really excited for this one. I hope you guys are too. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. All right, we have arrived at Santa Barbara Ducati. We're going to be throwing this beast on a dyno. Rory, what do you think it'll put down on the dyno? With a full system, Sprint filter, and a Aprilia flash. Race ECU flash. Give me a number. 170. 170? I'd be happy with that. It did 160 stock. So that sounds about right. Teens. Al's eating your shirt. I love it.
It's so soft, it's like a toy.
Hey, what do you think it's gonna put down on the dyno?
What was the stock?
160.
I think it'll do 180. 178.
178?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, what did you say?
Rory said 170.
Oh, wow.
I'm gonna say 168.
Oh shit.
Yeah. You blew this one. It's about time you lose one.
Oh, no.
We bought it to 167.
Yeah. I think you're gonna revise it. 167. Okay. I said 168. So.
Okay, I'm having a second.
No, you can't get a second guess.
First and second, 178. Otherwise, 173.
You're so off.
Yeah, she's screwed. Finally, we're gonna beat her. Finally. Oh God. They actually have a bike in here right now they're playing around with. A beautiful 1299 Anniversario. I bet that probably did 190-ish. Look at all the carbon on this thing. Fuck, I love Ducatis. Look at that. Wow, they even have a carbon subframe. That is badass. So once he gets this thing off, we'll get the Tuono on and see how it does.
It's a dry clutch conversion.
So I don't know if you guys know this, the 1299s Anniversarios are limited edition. This is number 147 of 500. For a long time, this was my ultimate dream bike. I would still totally take one, but they're pretty hard to find. You guys, you said you did this dry clutch conversion? Yep. Super cool. I've never even seen those pipes before. That's not what the Acura normally comes with.
Nope.
What are these? Special titanium? Oh,
we
that's
put this
really
on.
cool.
That's a FIBA oil.
Oh, it has a different oil cooler.
Yep.
No shit. Does it help keep it cool?
Telling you about.
Does it help keep it cooler?
Yes, full right.
Oh, okay.
That's
wow. That's crazy. It even has some BST carbon wheels in gold.
I showed him the thing.
That's pretty wild.
Probably like thousands of dollars.
Really? Damn, it even has upgraded rotors. I've never even seen those rotors. That is cool. Very trick bike. Hell yeah.
It's just heavy.
Teens, you want to move Alf out of the way here?
Here, Al.
Look at him. He doesn't know what he's doing. We're moving bikes, Alf. What the heck? I know you're a shop dog, but you're not going to dyno this. Brian's going to dyno it. Hey, what do you think this is going to do? Stock, it did 160.
Stock was 160?
Yeah.
168.
160. That's what I said. I said 168. She said 178.
And then she did 178.
Losers buying drinks.
Yeah, loser buys first round.
Now that I know that,
Is that
I'm
right?
gonna say 167.
Is that right? Okay. Well, hey, pause the video, make your guesses below in the comment section. Let's see who's closest. Don't cheat.
It'll be me.
Don't cheat. Look at this, guys. We're taking this bike apart for the 15th time. Poor Brian. Oh, you call him Brian fat?
Yeah. No, I didn't say that. I was standing on this and
God.
stepped on it, and it dipped down a lot.
Yeah.
And
You shouldn't be
I thought
standing.
it
Why are
was
you
gonna
standing on
break.
this? Can't bring you anywhere. You in your light up jacket. Freaking weirdo.
Just jealous.
How comes it's not lit up right now?
Is that thing seriously though?
Yeah.
You want to see it?
No.
What's this?
Yes,
No. He got excited for a second. Brian was excited for. Look. It looks like a Christmas tree.
Your kids would love this.
I was
Your
just
daughter would love this.
Yeah, of a 9-year-old, not a grown woman. Anyway, pieces are coming off. He's got to go under the tank for a spark lead, and then we should be able to fire this bitch up and put some runs down. All right, so that's what he was looking for. He said he got to a coil for the spark lead. Now he's just looking for what the ground. The ground it somewhere, and then should be able to bring his computer in here and get it going. All right, the beast has started up. Listen to that baby purr. We can't be in there because it's way too fucking loud with the fan and all that. So we're gonna stand right here and watch some pools go down. Hopefully we'll see some flames on this bitch. All right, here we go. Oh my God. Just getting it up to temperature. And he's gonna run it in 4th or 5th gear, I'm not sure which. Oh, this thing's gonna sound glorious. Best sounding motor in motorcycling, B4 1100. Here we go. Holy shit. Wow. That is insane. Here we go. Brian's back with the computer, with the official readout. What do we got here? Let's see who was closest.
166.3.
166. No, wait, what did you say?
She's off by
No,
12
yeah,
horsepower.
you said 178.
Yeah.
You said 178. That was your original. Rory was the closest at 167. I said 168. Brian and I said 168. But if you're doing Prices Right rules, we were all fucked.
Yeah.
We're all off. So there you
So
go.
the worst is Christina.
I'll take that. 166. It's got a nice smooth curve. I think that's good. You know, that's pretty standard for a Tuono with full bolt-ons, right? Yeah, I'll take that, dude. That's sick. And the thing that this doesn't tell you is how much weight we saved. I bet we shaved 35 pounds. We're gonna find out next week. I'm gonna bring the weight scale down. No, I'm gonna bring the scale. We're gonna put it on the scale. Yeah, I have it. It was 470 stock, and now we'll find out what it is next week. So
I'll win next week.
yeah, I'm happy. Yeah, you're gonna guess again. You're gonna steal my guesses. I already told you how much weight we shaved. Cheating bastard. Gotta love California, baby. Oh God, please don't kill me. There you go, guys. 166 horsepower for the $50,000 custom Aprilia Tuono, and I'm really happy with that because, like I said, it doesn't tell the whole story because it doesn't include how much weight we saved, which we'll find out in the next episode. I'm not sure if that next episode is going to be a Patreon only video or not. If you guys want to see the weight of the bike here on YouTube, let me know in the comment section below. Come on, people. But yeah, man, $50,000 Tuono, fully custom. People are like, it's not a custom Tuono. What do you mean? It's a fully custom paint scheme with all kinds of insane boutique parts. Like, what does it take for something to be considered custom, man? But anyway, I am going to enjoy my ride home. I want to give a huge shout out to Brian from Santa Barbara Ducati for all of his hard work on this project. He really just absolutely crushed it. Obviously, a huge shout out to Manny from Motor Million for supplying all these amazing parts. I will be doing a walk around and parts list of the motorcycle so you guys can easily get parts for this bike if you want to, but obviously just go to Motor Million website. You can use code Campisi to save yourself some money on anything you order. And then we are planning on doing the giveaway December 7th at the Ducati dealer, so it should be around 1 o'clock. And basically we invite anyone's welcome to come out. We are going to choose the winners right there in front of everyone, and then obviously I'll make a video and put it online afterwards. The reason I don't do it live is because, oh shit, I want to get the surprise reaction of the winner. So if I do it live, there's a chance they might be watching it, and then we don't get the true reaction whenever we tell them they just won a $50,000 motorcycle. So our next motorcycle is also on the way. It's being shipped here as we speak. I'm so excited for the next project, guys. It is going to be ridiculous, and you're not going to want to miss out. So make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. Give this video a thumbs up. If you want to be entered to win custom motorcycles, sign up on the Patreon page. It's always the first link in the description below. And that's going to do it for this one, guys. I'm going to enjoy my ride home. and I will see you in the next one. Peace.